Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Firda'sa Nugraha. I am from Universitas PGRI Madiun. Especially I am prodi Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris. I am from class 3B. In here, I would like you to explain about speech sound in linguistics. What is speech sound? Speech sound in linguistics is a smallest recurrent recognizable sum constituent of spoken language produced by movement and configuration of a varying number of the organ speech in an act of ear direct communication. In speech sound, I have to discuss about two types of speech sound. There is consonant and vowel. For the first, I begin in the consonant sound. Consonant sound is a consonant or sound that are produced with the articulator more or less close. Consonant sounds are classified three dimensions. First is voicing. Voicing is refers to activity of the vocal folds. And the second is place of articulation. Place of articulation is referred to the area in one of the resonation cavities, larynx, mouth, where the articulator are opposing some kind of structure or obstacle to the passing of air. Next, for the third, manner of articulation. Manner of articulation is referred to the way the articulator or are shaped so that the resonant effect is possible. In place of articulation, any bilabial. Bilabial is used both lips create the sound such as the beginning sound in pin, push, well, and the ending sound is same. Next is labiodental. This use the lower lip and upper lip teeth. Example is fin and fan. And the next dental. This creates sound between the teeth like in the and thin. Alveolar. You create sound with the tongue way and the ridge gap behind the upper teeth. Example include the beginning sound of thin, thus, shin, zoo. We have to use upper lip. And then the last is palate. This use the tongue way and the hard palate to create the sound in shin, treasure, chip, plate, and yell. And then velar. Velar, this makes the sound using the soft palate in the back of the mouth. Sound includes in kin, kush, and the shing. And then the last is glotta. Glotta is the sound made in the throat between the vocal cords, such as in the word hit. Next, in the manner of articulation, we have is stop. Stop is some of their sound are unvoiced, such as pin, tin, can. This is unvoiced. Next is frictionless. Restrict airflow cause friction, but the airflow is not completely stopped. Unvoiced example include fin, thin is unvoiced. Next is affricative. Affricative are combination of stops and fricative. For example is cheap, cheap. It is unvoiced. Next for the last is nasal. Nasal is as expected the air stopped from going through the mouth and is filtered into the nose. Voice example include shim, shin, scan, and then shing. Next is type for speech sound. Second is vowel. Vowel is a sound produced with a comparatively open configuration of the vocal tract. Vowel sound are classified are two dimension, I think. First is monophthongs. Is a single sound within a single syllable. For example, is short vowel. short vowel is when, intent, send, and then for long vowel is need, beat, theme. And the second is diphthong. Diphthong is a single sound syllable vowel sound in which the beginning of sound clashes to another slightly different vowel sound. For the symbol, I have to explain next. Symbol of consonant is P. Pack, pin, happen. Next is Ta. Tie, to, hotel. And then the Ka. Ka is clash, pack, call. And then Cha. Cha is trash, nature, chicken. And then Fe. Fun, few, face. And then Te. There is throw, thing, and bird. Next is Us. Shown, shell, and then ice. Sha. So, fish, nation. Bag. For the ba is bag, pin, cap. For the D is die, to, head. And then for the K is glaze, pig, curl. And then for the J is judge, large, gym. And then for V is fun, view, and cover. And then for T is dog, dish, fighter. And for Z is zoo, this, lazy. And for me is measure, fisher, and leisure. And then for M is zoom, camera, and then room. And for the N is soon, now, and then never. And for Ng is sing, think, going. And for the H is hot, hill, heavy. And for L is lot, love, little. For R is red, hurry, ride. And for the U is yet, usually, queue. And for W is wedge, walk, and walk. It is for consonant. And then for symbol vowel is E. For example, beat, jam, and shoot. For symbol A is bed, set, and head. For symbol O is put, talk, loud. And for symbol O is wood, root, and food. For symbol I is cat, flat, land. For the symbol A is calm, hurt, love. And for the symbol A, Peter, about, singer. And then for symbol O is bird, wood, hurt. For symbol O is food, more, sure. For symbol A is catch, up, and love. And for symbol D, out is hot, want, and what. Next is for symbol diphthong is air. Air is here, near, and idea. Next is eo. And then for symbol vowel is E. For example, beat, jam, and shoot. For symbol A is bed, set, and head. For symbol O is put, talk, loud. And for symbol O is wood, root, and food. For symbol I is cat, flat, land. For the symbol A is calm, heart, love. And for the symbol A, Peter, about, singer. And then for symbol O is bird, wood, hurt. For symbol O is for, more, sure. For symbol A is catch, up, and love. And for symbol D, out is hot, want, and what. Next is for symbol tiptoe is air. Air is here, near, and idea. Next is ew is make, sigh, and hide, day, and share. For symbol A is make, say, day. And then for symbol O is boy, enjoy, voice. Next for symbol O is I is bite, mic, cry. And then for symbol O is noun, house, town. And the last is OA. For symbol OA is go, boat, and snow. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.